Welcome, this is the DeltaMath tutorial, exponential and radical form. It asks, write these expressions in radical form. We have x to the 5th over 7th power. Understand, this can be broken up into two parts. This can be seen as x5 times 1 to the 7th power, because the 7th is on the bottom of the fraction. So what you can do now is you can write this as radical x to the 5th, and the 1 over 7, this is where the 7 would go. Okay? So what is your dividing by is what is in the radical. So this is to the 7th, and this is x to the 5th. All right. So the numerator, okay, which is on top, is the exponent. The denominator, which is on bottom, which is the 7, is the root. So that's what belongs there. So same thing here. We have x to the 2/3. The root here is 3. So it's 3 radical because it's on the bottom. And this is the exponent. Okay, so it's x to the 2nd power. So it is to the root of 3. And we have x to the 2nd power. All right, good. The top is the exponent, the bottom is the root. Same thing, we already have that. Let's do this one. All right, but this time we see it differently. It's already in a radical form. X to the 2nd. So this is the exponent, and this is the root. So it's going to be x2 divided by 7. So it's x to the power of 2 divided by 7. There you go. The exponent is in the numerator, which is on top. Okay, right here. And the root, I could make that in red, is in the denominator. All right. We have something that looks like this now. 4 radical x. We saw that there's really an exponent of 1 here. So this is the exponent. So it's x to the 1. Then this is the root. So it's going to be divided by 4 because this is the root, which is in the bottom, and on top it's the exponent. Okay, so it's x to the 1 divided by 4. There you go. All right. Same thing here. I can just change this. I can just erase this and this. Okay. So the new exponent was 2. So the exponent here is 2. The root was 5. So this is going to be 5. So it's going to be x to the power of 2 divided by 5. Okay. Then we have this one now. We have x 1, which is the exponent. It's going to be divided by 4, and 4 is going to be the root. Remember, the root goes in here. So this is 4, and the exponent, x to the 1. So it should look like the root of 4, x to the power 1, but no one really writes the power 1. So that would be your correct answer. All right, we can do something like this now. The exponent the root now is a radical 3. So saw it's x to the 3 here. So this is a 3. And we saw that the exponent is a 4. So this is a 4. Okay? So x to the power of 4 divided by 3, it is the third root x to the fourth power. So you press that, you put in 3 x to the fourth power. There you go. So that is exponent and radical form.